Russia is a riddle wrapped in a mystery, inside an enigma. Winston Churchill, the vastness of Russia's landscapes is matched only by the depth of its history unknown. In Russia, nature is not just a background. It is a character in the story of our lives. Anton Chekhov, Siberia's wilderness is a land of enchantment where nature reigns supreme unknown. The Russian wilderness is a tapestry woven with the threads of time unknown. Russia's forests are the lungs of the earth, breathing life into our planet. Unknown. In the heart of Russia, the rivers flow like veins, carrying the lifeblood of the land unknown. The Ural Mountains are nature's masterpiece, a rugged frontier between Europe and Asia, unknown. Lake Baikal is a jewel in the Siberian wilderness, a sanctuary of pure water, unknown. Russia's Arctic landscapes are a frozen wonderland where ice and snow sculpt the earth, unknown. Kamchatka's volcanoes are nature's fireworks, a reminder of Earth's fiery power. Unknown. The Russian steppe stretches endlessly, a sea of grass under an endless sky. Unknown. The Caucasus mountains guard Russia's southern border, a majestic barrier to the world. Unknown. Russia's lakes mirror the sky, reflecting the beauty of the heavens on earth. Unknown. The taiga is Russia's green heart, a realm of ancient forests and untamed wildlife. Unknown. The Russian tundra may be harsh, but its stark beauty is a testament to resilience. Unknown. Siberian winters are harsh, but their stark beauty is a testament to nature's artistry. Unknown. The Trans-Siberian Railway is a journey through the soul of Russia, a ribbon connecting its diverse landscapes. Unknown. The White Nights of St. Petersburg are a celebration of nature's refusal to sleep. Unknown. Russian folklore is filled with tales of the mystical creatures that inhabit its wilderness. Unknown. The Volga River is Russia's lifeblood, flowing through history and culture. Unknown. Russia's national parks are a testament to our commitment to preserving nature's treasures. Unknown. The Russian Far East is a land of endless horizons, where the wild still roams free. Unknown. Majestic bears and elusive tigers call Russia's wilderness home, a reminder of its wild heart. Unknown. Russia's natural beauty is a gift to the world, a source of inspiration for all who behold it. Unknown. These quotes capture the diverse and awe-inspiring natural landscapes found throughout Russia.